If you're experiencing neck pain after benching, this is probably what's going on. So with neck pain, both in general and after benching, it's an issue of relative relationships between the head, the rib cage, and the pelvis. And specifically, it's going to be relationships that enhance the activity of the front of the neck. So this is going to happen in two ways in the bench press and in general with neck pain. So the first way is the head and neck coming forward, which is going to look a little bit like a chin tuck when we're in this laying down position. Now the second way is the rib cage coming back and the increased arch here in the back, which we're going to see. So along with that, we're going to have a pelvis that's coming forward as well into an anterior tilt, which is going to enhance this arch. Now our solution is just going to be to reverse these relationships, and when it comes to benching, we have a couple of workarounds. So first one is we can bring the feet up here, which is going to make it easier to tuck the pelvis back into a posterior tilt, reduce this extension. And if we do that same thing up in the head by tilting the chin back, we're going to start to open up that neck. Now before we do our reps, we're going to exhale so we can get the ribs to come down, which is further going to bring the rib cage down to open up the front of that neck. And if we can maintain that through our set, we're probably going to feel pretty good. Now the only problem here is that we can't get as much power because when we drive down through the bench, it's not quite as good as driving through the floor. So a workaround here is to get blocks, plates, or dumbbells to elevate the feet so that we can still maintain some degree of a posterior tilt through the pelvis. We're going to again posterior tilt that head as well. Exhale before our reps so that we get the rib cage down. If we can maintain that through the set, you're probably not going to have as much neck pain after you bench.